Hello, in this video I will show you how you can record your screen by using quick settings menu on POCO F7. So first of all you have to swipe down your quick settings menu, and from here on the bottom you can find edit. Click on it, and now you can find here some additional settings that you can add to your quick settings menu, like screen recorder over here. So you just simply have to click on this plus and now click on this check mark in the top right corner. And now, as you can see, I have screen recorder in my quick settings over here. So I simply have to click on it. And now when I want to record my screen, I have to click on this red button over here. And now my screen is recording. So now let's cancel this recording. Let's close this panel. And from now, go to gallery, and here you can find your records. So that's all. Thanks for watching and subscribe this channel.